Security personnel kaya asok apan nanghankhiba adu Myanmar foreign terrorist tingi khut yauramba yai haina CM BIREN phongdokhre. More da khut thongna bada security personnel asok apan nanghankhiba adu kuki terrorist tingi afaba makal gi khulai sizin aduna sathakibani haina Rims hospital da asok apan nanglaba security personnel sing yengsin bagi kongsat ta CM BIREN phongdokhre. Makata na hauzik su combing operation security force na thiba humbagi thabak sathari amasung ahenba security personnel thajinduna makata ba thoram kayasu state government amadi central government ga tanaduna thabak paikhatli pawmi singa unabada mahakna Myanmar foreign terrorist singi khut yauramba yabage achawba thajaba lei haina su phongdokhre.
State police ki personnel mari yamna layak phabadagi service individually waitre even bulletproof vehicles penetrate hoga sanga ga palba aduna moi ki terrorist singla ki terrorist singla se nari basi moi yamna sophisticated weapons singla hai basi proof hoga. Even we have seen some of the videos leaked from the militants terrorist group. They are sophisticated weapons in government. We are government. We are with the central forces, SS forces. We are countering them. And now search operation and the pumping operation is widely going on. Reinforcement has been sent, and we are having some doubt of the involvement of foreign mercenary from the Myanmar side. And it is our commitment to the people of the state and the people of India. We will not succumb to this kind of threat and aggressor. We will take necessary possible measures to counter such terrorist activities. Right now we cannot say, but earlier, 2 days back, we were killed and 4 were injured. Not fully confirmed, but reliable sources. We have been reported and from many sources. The mercenary from the Myanmar side, NAB, have involvement of their involvement is highly, possible.
Okay.
Ministry, the central government, whatever doing and whatever going on in the More and the other part of the state area is with the consent and with the approval of the central government, and the operation is going on jointly with state security force and the central. I can say right now.